how you can easily create a YouTube channel on your device. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply head over to your YouTube application. Inside your YouTube application, create an existing profile setting from here. As you can see, the settings logo here, from here. And once you are in this profile setting, simply click on switch account here, and you can see in the top right corner there's a plus icon. You can simply add a plus icon, and just make sure that you have a existing Google account before creating a YouTube account, because a Google account is mandatory before you create a YouTube account. And once you log in with your Google account, it will redirect you to this main homepage of the YouTube, and that is it, guys. That is exactly how you can create your YouTube channel. You can edit from here, and you can simply create from here the create by clicking on the create channel, and that is it, guys. So as you can see, the message channel has been created, and it's not giving you any recommended video because I haven't searched it or used it any for a moment here. So let me just type in something like this, and once I see some videos, it will start giving me recommendation from here. As you can see, same type of video that I've watched. So that is it, guys. That is exactly how you can create your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.